With the Add New button here, you can start and create your first new pages, pop-ups, page groups. And if you don't have a blog or course or a store, you also see those as options. But we at the moment have them in this website that we are showcasing. You have them listed, so you don't have them here as options to be added because they're already there. So from the Add New, it's usually either a page or a pop-up. So when you click on a page, you can now select from the multiple different pages designs that we have available for you. So you can just select the design that you want by category or however you want to do, or of course start with an empty page if you wish, and just add it right away into your design of your website. So let's say that we want to add maybe a product page. We want to promote something, and let's say if we like this one, we just click on it, add some name for our page, let's say product page. We can add SEO information if you want now, or you can leave it for later and just click on add. So that's how easy it is to create a new page. As you can see, it's added right away onto your website, and you can start editing it with the builder easily. What else you can do with the add new? You can also add a pop-up instead of a page. You can just click on pop-up, and the same way, instead of selecting a design for a page, you'll be selecting a design for a pop-up. Just click on it and you'll be starting to edit it right away. Again, with the builder, you can fully modify how your pop-up will look, and again, you can add different elements to it, etc. You'll find all the pop-ups here in the section. You can click and you'll see the pages, and the pop-up is being separated. The other thing that you can add from Add New again is the page group. So page group is really just a folder in which you can organize your pages. So currently we have a default which is called pages, but you can create, let's say, a new one. Let's call it products for your product pages, custom product pages, and you have it here. Now let's say this product page, we want to move it. We just can click on the three dots, click on show settings, and from here we can add to the group. It's at the moment it is at the pages, so we can just select products, click on save, and now we just moved our page into the products folder. That's how simple it is, and this is basically the things that you can do with the Add New button. Basically creating new pages, new pop-ups, groups, and again, if you don't have the blog, the portfolio, which in this case is courses, and the store, you can add them from here as well. And yeah, you can play around, create as many as you want pages, go crazy, and yeah, edit them with the builder easily and quickly. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just let us know.